Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. A long time ago, I had a no crank, no start issue with this guy here. And I never really made a proper video about what exactly was wrong with it and how the fix was. So that's what I want to do right here, right now, real quick. So 2013 F150 5.0. Hadn't had it in for any recalls. A couple years ago, I had a situation where I went to start it and all it would do is throw all the codes in the gauge cluster like crazy. So there was service StabiliTrak, check engine, airbag, everything went off on it. I had no idea what happened. I always have the battery on the tender, no clue. There was something about a fuel pump fuse or something like that, which I still haven't had this in for any type of recall or technical bulletin work, whatever. So my situation is kind of different from a lot of other folks. So this was my problem. It was a body control module problem. Now what had happened was I keep it parked. I barely ever drive it, right? It's in the garage all winter. So I keep it nice, out of salt. Now what had happened in my case is I didn't rat-proof my garage just good enough, and a mouse found its way in there and chewed up some wiring. So it actually became a home insurance issue. So I had to get a whole new wiring harness done in the truck. At that point it was out of my hands, but it was like $2,900, maybe about $3,000 of work that it was quoted for just to get all that done. I only had to pay my deductible. So unfortunately, I can't really help. For some of y'all might have an issue like this, but in my case, there was chewed off wires. So I'm sorry I can't help much more with anybody else that has such a similar problem, but that was what happened with mine. But I got that all done through Ford and starts up every time. And it's good having it back. So I know that's not going to help everybody else out there, but that was what my situation was. So here's just a video explaining that. Thanks everybody, have a good day.